You a little bit of how to get your sticker design onto Sketch.io. So how to copy and paste an image. And then I also want to show you how to trace an image if you'd like to draw your own. You don't want to copy off somebody's online. So here we go. So as you can see these instructions, I also want to make sure you know what does it mean when lines are not intersecting? What does it mean by PNG? What do you mean by upload to Google Classroom? And what do you mean by using the digital tablets? So let's get started. All right, first, let's take a dog photo. So as you can see, this is the final product of something I would like you to make. I would like a simple line drawn art of a dog, again, transparent images of paw prints, and then some text telling me of a cause that you want to support. So this should be the final product. All right, so what I'm gonna do to get all that is I'm gonna start a new project and click on transparent. You can change your size. Up to here, I go to size of screen, transparent. Okay, great. Now, what I would like you to do is get an image from Google. So if you go in and type in dog into Google, all you're getting is colorful pictures of dogs, but I don't want that. I want black and white, and I want transparent. So what I did here is I went over to tools, if you can see that. I went over to color, and you have to do this every time you research something. So just remember that. If I switch to turtles, it shows me colorful turtles now. So I gotta go back to tools, back to color, back to transparent, back to type. And if I could zoom in so you can see this, type line drawing. All right, so now I got all the images of turtles I can use. Not every single one of these will be usable, but almost 90% of them. So how do we check? There's several ways to bring an image, but the best way, in my opinion, is click on the image you want. This guy looks like Crush. I'm gonna right-click, copy image. So right-click, copy image, go back to Sketchpad. Now here's the thing. You can't just Control-V paste, and you can't right-click paste. So what you have to do is click on the workspace itself, make sure you tap on it, press Control-V, and then you got your turtle. All right. What if I don't want to just copy this guy's turtle, but I actually want to draw on it so I can actually trace it? So what I would do is grab a drawing tablet. I would look at this turtle and I would do something called layers. So once you finish tracing this turtle, you can take away this image and show what you drew. Okay, so grab your pencil tool. Make sure you're in the pencil tool. Make sure your outline is ready to go, and you can change how thick or how small you want it. And really just use it and trace it over. Trace the best you can. Of course, if you fail, you can always press Control-V. But this will teach you how to use your drawing tool more effectively, and also will help you just draw better in general. And this way you don't have to copy someone else's artwork. So if you'd like to trace something, again, start with something simple, like that other dog would be easier. But once you're done tracing, you should have a little sample that you can take away. So if you go back to your select, you can actually take this picture away. So how do I do that? Go up to the top right, click on layers, and you'll see a layer called image PNG. Do you see that? If I click hide, it'll show what I only drew. So now this is my original work. This is the work I did. This is the Google. All right, and then let's save it. So we're done. Drew our turtle, imagine. Add download PNG. Now we got a beautiful drawing. I would like you to upload that to Google Classroom. So final step, go to Google Classroom. Go to your period, go to share something with the class. Click on that second one that looks like it has an arrow pointing up to the sky, which means you're uploading something. Browse for a file, and it should be right in your downloads. Now, usually with 3D, I have people tell me what color they want it. It would be nice to tell me what color they want it, but for this week, we're actually gonna do something different. So just tell me my sticker design. I hope that helped you figure out, one, how to get these images onto the sketchpad.io, and two, just how to trace over it so you can create your own designs. Thank you guys, appreciate it.